Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss about hepatitis. Hepatitis is the inflammation of the liver. It is usually caused by viral infection, toxic agents, or drugs. The symptoms of hepatitis, which are usually appear in the patient of hepatitis, are jaundice, abdominal pain, liver enlargement, fatigue, and sometimes fevers. Hepatitis is a slowly occurring disease which can lead to the liver cancer. Hepatitis is divided into the hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, hepatitis E, F, and G. The most common hepatitis are hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. Hepatitis E is usually called an infectious hepatitis. It caused due to a virus, which is called hepatitis A virus. This disease actually not much virulent. It is a mild, short-term, and less virulent. It can be transferred by contact with the feces from infected individual. The second one is a hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is called serum hepatitis. Hepatitis B is caused due to the hepatitis B virus. This is the second major form of hepatitis. Hepatitis B is transmitted by the exchange of body fluid, for example, blood serum, saliva, etc. It can be transmitted to the child from the mother. It can also be transmitted by sexual contact. During the acute attack of hepatitis B, different symptoms appear in patients like fatigue, loss of appetite, and jaundice. But a person or patient with a chronic hepatitis infection are at the risk of liver damage. Third one is a hepatitis C, which is formally called non-A and non-B hepatitis. It causes infusion hepatitis. The virus which is responsible for hepatitis C is called hepatitis C virus. However, hepatitis C is less damaging, less severe than hepatitis A and hepatitis B, but hepatitis C often lead to the chronic liver damage. It can transmit it through the blood from mother to the child or by sexual contact. Now, hepatitis can be controlled by taking hygienic condition. Usually, the vaccines are available for hepatitis A and hepatitis B, but there is no vaccine for hepatitis C. So, hepatitis C can be controlled only by taking hygienic measures. There are also many other types of hepatitis. These three are very much common.